Hey everyone, Jacqueline here, and in today's video I will be showing you an easy 10 ingredients kimchi soup recipe. Now, it wouldn't be right for me to start this video out without giving credit and a little backstory on this recipe. So credit for the original recipe goes to my dad's friend, Uncle Joel. Our families used to go camping together every summer when I was a kid at the beach. Yeah, Uncle Joel used to make this soup for the entire camp. So we would be camping for like a week, so we had portable stoves. We were lucky to have hot showers, so we were not totally roughing it. It was nice, and I just have good memories of eating this soup at the beach. So the only difference between Uncle Joel's original version and my vegan version is that my version has no pork. And that's pretty much the only difference. So everything else tastes just as good as I remember it, and I really wanted to share it with you all. So I hope you enjoy. Again, it's a super simple recipe, and with that, let's just get right into it. To get started, I am dicing some onion, and I will leave all ingredients and exact measurements in the description below or on my website. I'm also cutting these bamboo slices into thinner shreds. You can buy cans of bamboo shoots shredded to this size at most Asian markets, but Sprouts doesn't have that, so I just cut them up myself. I'm also cutting some firm tofu into large cubes and mincing a clove of garlic. I'm also going to prep these mung bean noodles according to package directions, which says that they need to soak in cold water for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Next, I'm sauteing the onions, garlic, also some green onion, and kimchi in olive oil. I'm always trying new kimchi brands because the brands I grew up eating aren't available where I live. So this time I'm trying one by Lucky Foods, and honestly, I think this one is my favorite so far. Definitely will buy again. We want the kimchi to be fairly soft before adding the broth, so I'm adding a pinch of salt and a splash of water, then covering the pot to help it cook faster. I found these vegan chicken bouillon cubes at Sprouts and thought they were pretty neat, so I gave them a try and loved them. So that's what I'm using for my broth. Next, add bamboo shoots and let the soup come to a boil. Drain the mung bean noodles that have been soaking and add them into the soup to cook for the last 10 to 15 minutes. Right before you're ready to eat, add the tofu and let that simmer. And that's it! This soup is so comforting and also so easy. If you're afraid of kimchi, be sure to use a mild kimchi and also cook the kimchi for a while. The longer you cook the kimchi, the less spicy it will be. I like to boil the soup until the kimchi is really soft and basically tastes just like tart cabbage. The broth will have a tiny bit of spice, but trust me, I cannot handle super spicy foods, and this soup is not meant to be spicy anyways, so if I can handle it, you can too. If you don't have mung bean noodles, you can try using any other noodle. I wanted to show you a variation that I made with some packaged udon, just using the soup packet that comes with it. This one was a vegan mushroom soup base. I've only ever made this soup with udon noodles and mung bean noodles, but you could probably try it with almost any other type of noodle. So even if all you have is instant ramen noodles or maybe even rice, I'm sure that would taste great. I also forgot to add cilantro in the first soup, so I'm adding that here. And that is it, my friends, a delicious 10 ingredient kimchi soup. Be sure to let me know if you try this out. I absolutely love seeing your creations. And I want to try this new thing where if you try one of my recipes, take a pic, tag me on Instagram, I will give a little shout out to you in one of my upcoming videos. So yeah, I hope that you will try this out and love it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!